King Dragon living
Dude.
in my ass.
Damn, bro.
Hey, how you doing, Born?
Tough.
Alright, I figured out a way to make my chat sort of work. You're gonna have to bear with me here, Born. My chat is fucked. Wow, these just spark terribly, don't they? Yeah. We're gonna launch this and see what happens. Oh my god, they are so angry at me. Wouldn't it be funny if that hit? Oh my god, it hit. Yeah, boys, if he did. Oh, fuck! And scene. When the, F8, okay, guys. Cut. Cut. Let's roll that one back. Alright. Landing here, bro. 4 landing here? Oh, I'm jaying out! Fuck you, 104. Suck my dick!
FYI.
That's a rock. Damn it, he moved.
That's the way the rock launches them? Oh, you just missed that.
It's...
Oh, you just do that plane filter. Oh my lordy. You are... How do they let you in squadron battles, bro?
That's gonna be the stream, guys.
The viewers are just picked up and you can't hear it. Set 400 be good and done.
Holy shit! Oh my god, did you see that?
Hard now, he's like, it's insane. Like, at 1,000 before, I...
What a dummy! What a dummy! Oh my god!
What happened?
Hey, there's an R3 right there.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Your left
Nice. I just emptied all my rockets into him because it's an R3. I don't know if that was the right thing to do.
So, how was that Admiral Cross?
It's very good.
You fuck! Ah, monkey!
Can you invite me? I'm gonna catch a fucking case.
I'm gonna catch a bullet here in a second.
Alright, I'm going for that F-26.
Ow, fuck me. Fuck me. Ouch.
Yeah, oh, that's a different one. Right?
Yeah, I know.
Oh! Oh my god.
I'm still fine.
Isn't it funny he's about to clap me with an A9B? What the fuck? Woo! Hey guys, thanks for watching my first War Thunder clip compilation. On top of streaming, I'm planning on starting a vehicle review series. First up is the Hunter FGA9, hoping to get that one out soon. If you're interested in seeing that, please consider following. I also stream on Twitch and have a Discord, so if you're interested in that, the links are in the description. Take care, and thanks for watching.